The Oil Life Monitor in your 2021-2023 Cadillac Escalade is a smart system that estimates oil quality based on driving conditions and engine data, not just mileage. After each oil change, resetting the monitor to 100% is essential. This ensures the system accurately tracks the new oil's degradation. Failing to reset can lead to premature oil life due alerts or inaccurate readings, even with fresh oil. The system analyzes data like oil temperature, pressure, and driving habits to predict when an oil change is actually needed. This is more precise than relying solely on mileage-based timers. With the vehicle off, press and hold the brake pedal. Then, press the engine start-stop button once without holding to enter accessory mode. The lights and infotainment screen should turn on, but the engine should remain off. Use the touchscreen to navigate to Vehicle, then Maintenance, then Oil Life Reset. Alternatively, press the menu button on the steering wheel, scroll to Vehicle Information, then Oil Life, and hold the Set button until it resets. Select Yes when prompted to confirm the reset. The system should display Oil Life Reset and return to 100%. If the reset is successful, the Oil Life Due light will clear, and the monitor will be set to 100%, ready to track your new oil's lifespan. If you encounter issues, ensure there are no active diagnostic trouble codes and that your Escalade has the latest software updates from Cadillac.